Welcome to Web-TechServices Help. In this short guide, we'll walk through your partner dashboard overview. Welcome to your partner dashboard, your home base. Everything you need to earn is in one place. Your stats, your referral link, your marketing tools, and your payouts. Let's walk through it together so you can start earning with confidence. Right at the top, you'll see your live numbers, total earnings, clicks, and signups. This matters because it shows you exactly which of your efforts are paying off, so you can do more of what works and grow your income faster. This is the most important thing on the page, your personal referral link. Every single person who clicks it and signs up is permanently tracked to you and earns you commission. Copy it once and you can paste it anywhere. Drop your link in texts, emails, social posts, your bio, anywhere your network lives. There's no limit. The more places it lives, the more it can earn for you around the clock. Scroll down and you'll find your branded Warm-handoff business cards. These turn a quick in-person conversation into a tracked referral. Perfect for handing to local business owners you already know. You can download and print your card in seconds, or order professional cards in a couple of clicks. Having a physical card ready means you never miss a chance to refer when you meet someone. We even include an AI Facebook auto poster that promotes for you automatically. It keeps your link in front of people consistently, so you earn even on the days you're busy. That's your command center. The single best next step? Copy your referral link and share it with 3 people today. Every share is a chance to earn. So let's get it working for you. That's it. Up next, getting started as a partner. Let's keep going.